What is another great way to practice reading with your child? Today, I want to talk about this Word Family Tales book. What is a word family, you may ask? A word family is a word that has the same spelling pattern. The words rhyme then, so they all end the same way. So you have words like ban, can, dan, fan, and man. We also have the ANK word family, at, and app. This is a great way to practice because you have the word families that you can practice at the beginning. These are really comprehensive. You have so many of the common word families in English. And what's great is for those of you who are practicing your pronunciation, this is a great way to practice pronunciation with your kids as they practice reading. And then as you go through the book, you have these mini books. So this is perforated and you can tear these out and then you can fold these into mini books. So you have this fun little story about Hank's Bank. And the stories are very simple. They are nice and short, and they really help your child build confidence and practice their reading. I love the size of the little books. And if you have more than one child at home, you could actually make a copy of these, and then each child can have their own book. So this is a great option for those of you out there who are looking for more ways to practice. I will link this in YouTube, and I will also put links to other places where you can find this book as well. And don't forget, you can always go to the library, get this, and make copies. Enjoy.